Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to install the ice mining app. It's easy to get this application. All you need to do is make sure you open up your Play Store, and once you've opened up the Play Store application, make sure you simply type in ice mining. So once you've typed in the ice mining, all you need to do now is click on ice network here, click on the install option. And once you've selected install, you'll find that it's pending, and in a few minutes or a few seconds your installation would be complete. And once your installation is completed, all you need to do is simply set up your ice network app. To do this, simply click on the open. Simply click on open, and once you've opened the ice network application, all you need to do is either log in or sign up. So you could log in via your phone number or your email address. So all you need to do now is simply click on the login option. Okay guys, so once you've entered your nickname, because this comes after you've passed the authentication on your email, the next step is you're going to be creating a nickname which only uses letters, numbers, and periods. So your next step now would be to click on next step. And then you're asked who invited you. Enter the nickname of the person who invited you. So guys, once you've entered the invite name or the invite nickname, click on complete, and you'd find that you can begin the mining process. Take a look at the home section. Please make sure you read through all of this, as all of these tutorials are important. So once you've had a look at all the tutorials, welcome to the ICE network. You could add your BNB Smart Chain address. You could begin mining and the rest. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how to install ICE network, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.